Take the best of life. Explore it. Let it. And the son shall judge it. And the children shall. Get it. You keep it down deep in you. You hide it under your bottom foot. You explore it and see what you will get out of it. I'm crazy. That's what they call the word. You tell me, what does it mean? What does it mean? Why are you hiding yourself?
Why are you talking to me? You don't even know me. So
why are you hiding yourself?
What's wrong with you? I don't even know
I gotta bring your conscience out of you. I know that. Yes. That's how deep we went.
What's the matter with you?
The matter with me?
Yeah, what's wrong with you? You don't even know me.
The matter with me is your matter. Don't take it personal. We are not speaking personality. We are just walking to human. Why you want that to happen? Okay, I know that. Because you take it personal, and that's where they call ignorance. Personality. You tell me the truth. You're hiding from yourself. You're hiding yourself. That dog will never move. That dog is a sick dog. Will never move. You want to bet him? That dog will never even scratch sand.